Hi, my name is Mark. Welcome to my series on learning how to play trumpet, the at-home edition. Have you ever thought, if I had the time, I'd like to learn a new skill, like maybe learning to play an instrument? Well, now unfortunately we all do have the time. So the instrument I'm going to learn to play is the trumpet. Now first off, I'm not a trumpet player. I'm just somebody who played trumpet for 5 years when I was much younger. So I was a product of the public school education music system, which means on my first day of band, it was me and 35 kids showing up. I mean, there was one band teacher and they did the best they could, but to get any real instruction, you had to go get private lessons, and you know, private lessons are expensive. So I was able to get like one or two, but nothing really, which is why my embouchure just developed the way it developed. Now there's so much information out there, I'm gonna try and see what's out there that makes sense for me and see if I can try to combine all the common things that people are saying and try to use those to start with. The other thing I'm gonna try to do is learn music in a different way. I learned classical music, Christmas tunes, and marching band songs. Now don't get me wrong, I enjoyed the Christmas songs, but the 2 months of jazz band that I had as a junior was probably the most fun I'd ever had playing the trumpet. I guess jazz music is always something that intrigued me. I enjoyed listening to it as a kid, and I enjoyed as an adult. So if I have to learn music over again, which I realize I do, maybe I'll try to learn how to play jazz. At my age, is that even possible? I don't know. But might as well give it a shot. I have no clue how to improvise. I did one jazz improvisation in high school, and a buddy actually wrote it out for me. Couldn't play it to save my life, but it actually gave me an idea that maybe, just maybe, I could learn basics by reading jazz music, and I'll develop that over time. So on the embouchure thing, I learned that the smile, pulling back of your cheeks, is something that a lot of players developed and use, but it does have some limitations, and I'd like to try and learn a different way of playing that uses more muscles in here versus this way. And that hopefully will allow me to play differently and maybe get a better tone, maybe improve my upper register. Who knows? It's worth a try. So here's where I'm starting. There's something called pedal tones, long, low notes, and I'm trying to have as little tension in my face as possible. They sound something like this. So that was me on day 2, and here's me now 7 days into this journey back. So the tone's not there. I'm still working on supporting the notes with good air. And I'm not playing it by reading the notes. I'm playing those simply because my fingers remember things that I drilled over and over as a kid. If I try to read the music, what my eyeballs see and my brain thinks doesn't come out of my fingers. So that's something I'm still working on.